Okay, here we are, another day, another box. Let's see what I got today. Okay, we have a garage inflation station by Slime. Wow, this looks cool. Let's see. We're gonna see where I can install this one, and we'll let you know. Okay, here we have the garage inflation station, which is gonna replace this little one. Tell me what you don't like about this one.
One, it's not very powerful. It's not got enough. It takes a long time to inflate. But it does have a digital monitor, which is
a
good.
Smart one, right? Like you can just put the PSI.
Yeah, you just put the PSI in and it shuts off. I lost the battery to it, unfortunately, so I'm kind of limited to a cigarette holder.
What do you mean lost it?
I don't have it any longer.
Oh, this is not a battery.
No.
Okay. So this one has a few advantages. Obviously, it's mounted on the wall and like to the power, so you will always have it running here. It has also a 25-foot retractable hose. So let's say you're gonna plan to mount it here in this corner. Well, we have to clean up this mess.
Do a little cleanup.
So you have 20 feet, like it'd be fairly enough to put some. Now we have a camper here, but so mounted on the wall, and it says, you said that one's kind of slow. This says like 4 minutes, flat to full in 4 minutes. It says here somewhere. So, oh, here it is. The new task is to clean this up. Maybe you do it tonight. Maybe you'll do it next week. We'll see.
Definitely, I'll get it mounted and we'll give it a go.
So for now, it's here in storage. We're gonna clean all this mess. We have a power outlet here. It's connected to batteries. Maybe we add another outlet. We should like put maybe a ruler here with multiple outlets so you can plug all these things. Well, we'll see when we come back. So here we are in the cleaning process. So we can install the inflator. It's here, but we still with more room here.
All right, so now we've got everything cleaned up.
Well, almost.
Almost. It's a work in progress.
We have more room.
All right, so let's pull this out.
So all the screws are here.
Oh, perfect.
And it has some attachments for the actual pump. So here are 4 little screws.
Perfect. Let me go get a pencil. And we will start. And those screws will fit. You think will hold in this wall?
Yeah.
All right. Let me go get a pencil. We'll start marking up the wall.
What do you think? You want it here on the side, so it doesn't take more space, like here? Right here. Maybe she's better because you can reach out. You can pull out like the.
Yeah, because that on the other side is going to be hard to pull out the cord.
Yeah. Okay.
Let me go get. So first things first, to mount it. So we got to make sure.
You want to level it or not?
We're going to eyeball it. Make sure that wire gets out of the way as much as it can. We'll put it up. Looks pretty straight to me. What do you think?
Yeah, that's good.
All right. So we'll mark the wall where we want to. Whoa. It's all right. All right. This is the tedious process. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna get these, actually, yep. So we're gonna have the drill.
Yeah, perfect, yeah.
Get the drill out. All right, let's.
Oh, do you have concrete here? Yeah, this one maybe? No, that's metal. Have to go and get it. Change of tools. Too big?
No, just right.
Okay.
That should work.
So that times 4.
Holy jeez. All right.
Change of tools again. There.
We won't tighten it down just yet. There we go.
We'll now plug it in.
It looks good. Let's see. I like this. It's got a nice long hose.
25 feet.
You don't have to worry about it. All right, so here we go.
We didn't need an adapter.
All right. So right now this has 0 psi.
Oh, it has a breather.
Yep. So we want to inflate it. And we'll pump this up to roughly 30.
Wow, that's fast.
That's really fast. Wow, that is really fast. There was no air in it and it's filled up. Wow. This is awesome. This is going to make inflating bikes so much easier, so much less time consuming.
This one is fine. So there you go.
There you go. And then roll it up. And then again, it's put away.
Really nice.
I'm assuming that this is going to go off because I don't see an off button. So I'm assuming it's going to go off.
There you go.
Very nice. Thank you, Javi.
Nice addition. Okay, bye.
Ooh, yeah. Did you cut that off?
Yeah.
Oh.
The Slime Pro Series garage inflation station. Pretty good product. So 4 minutes to full on a car tire. So the bike is really fast.
I'm actually super excited.